You're the household computer guru, a proud terminal warrior. Linux is your distro, and updates are something you type by hand. But here's the problem. Your system might have more than one package manager. Maybe you're updating apt and flatpak, but someone installed snap to get Chrome. And guess what? Those updates, they're quietly piling up. Enter RepoRover, the little Linux utility nobody asked for, but everybody needs. RepoRover detects your Linux distribution, finds every package manager installed on your system, then updates all of them in one run. And when it can, it even tells you if a reboot is required. Arch users? Well, you already know the answer. New in RepoRover for Arch, there is now Yay support to update Arch AUR repositories. RepoRover is tested on Arch, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, Fedora, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Debian. Just download the AppImage, make it executable, and run it. No installation required. Download RepoRover today at Bytes, Bread, and Barbecue, where we keep you code crispy and your files smoking hot.